Oh, thank you very much, mate. Whoa, looks so good. Pork. Yummy, yummy. I'm sounding like John. This is a beautiful Japanese little restaurant here in the Pran markets. So Masa, the son of Kin-san, the owner and chef here, is going to show me how to cook some wonderful Japanese-inspired recipes. And this is awesome. Hey Masa, have you got time to come and show me how to cook some of this beautiful food?
Yeah, no worries. I've got a pretty good idea for you, actually.
Have you? What are you going to cook?
I've got a beef patty that I really want to show you,
Oh,
the Japanese style.
Awesome, mate. I'll finish this and we'll chew it off.
No worries.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, good, mate. It's yummy, yummy.
Yum, 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 yum. Come on, eat up. Come on. Oh, yummy. Beautiful.
Wow, the food is so delicious there, mate.
Thank you very much.
Unreal. That was, yeah, awesome. So what are you going to cook for me today?
I need to make a beef patty today.
All right, what do we
Japanese
need
style.
then?
We need eggs first.
Right.
So,
This is the man.
this is the man.
Hey, boss, how are you?
Good, yourselves?
Yeah, good thanks.
We're going to grab some eggs for our recipe.
Absolutely. Give you these one fresh bad boys here.
Master's
Thank
going
you
to
very
cook up
much,
a
sir.
storm. You grab those, mate. We'll hit the kitchen.
I'll bring you some as well.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Take care.
Okay, Masa. This is your kitchen, mate.
Yeah, thank you.
Take over. I'll see you later.
No, I need you for assistance.
Oh, do you? I'm really looking forward to this. I love the food that you do at your shop.
Oh, thank you.
I love Japanese cuisine. It's so dynamic and the flavors are beautiful. A Hamburg. So tell me about that.
Right. Usually Japanese people at home make it. It's a little bit different to American style. It's got a lot of Japanese ingredients in there today. The main thing is it's really juicy.
Yep.
It's got a lot of flavor.
Yep.
And it goes really well with tomato sauce.
Ticking all the boxes, mate. It's
Yes.
with tomato sauce. What's Japanese about tomato sauce?
We got to put a little bit of mayonnaise, Kewpie mayonnaise inside. This is a really Japanese mayonnaise.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and put these, infuse it with the tomato sauce to make it a little bit more Japanese.
Yeah, yeah. So what makes Kewpie the best mayonnaise?
So Kewpie gets all those flavors from the eggs, the amount of egg yolks inside to make the extra flavor. And they also may use a Japanese style vinegar.
Yep.
And that's got a really mild flavor, unlike the sharp ones that we have in
Yeah,
Europe.
the Western style
And
ones.
that's what
Yeah.
makes it really mild and really tangy.
So where do we start?
Yep, so if you
In
can
there?
just pop the beef in there and mix it nicely and take it apart with your hands for me.
Cool. So how long have you been cooking for, Masa?
Yeah, nearly 10 years.
10 years.
Oh.
Always with your dad?
Not always.
So you did an apprenticeship?
Yeah, apprenticeship plus a bit of a chefing up there.
Oh yeah, cool, man, cool. And how do you like working with your dad? He doesn't scream and shout too much?
Pretty strict,
Pretty strict.
but always got a reason, so.
Yeah, good on him. I mean, you do a great job there. The flavours that you guys produce is so good.
Thank you very much. So I just added some tomato paste in there.
Yep. Am I doing it right? Tell me if I'm not.
You're doing a fantastic job, person. Absolutely excellent.
You can be my boss. Masa-san.
Me.
Yes.
And then we're gonna add the tofu. Just make sure
Yeah.
that you strain the water out really well for the
Okay.
tofu.
So these are the eggs we got from old Paul.
Yep. So we're gonna crack 3 of them in.
Wow, this is getting loose. Did you grow up in Japan or born here in Australia?
I was born in Australia, yes.
So you've been back to Japan much?
Every
speak?
probably once in 3 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. My parents teach me Japanese.
Yeah, well, it's a good skill to have, isn't it? Well, cooking Japanese food and being able to speak the language. You're so lucky. The colour's really changed, hasn't it? It's really pink now.
Yeah.
So we had some breadcrumbs there, some panko breadcrumbs,
Slide a
eggs,
little bit
panko
more.
breadcrumb, tomato paste,
Just a little bit
a bit
more.
more just to make it a little bit firmer.
Just enough so that we can make a patty. Add some onions.
So you call this Hamburg.
Yes.
Why not hamburger?
Well, basically because it's not in between the breads.
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
If we put it in between the breads, it becomes a hamburger.
Yeah.
And it becomes a completely different dish.
All right, cool.
Fantastic. So I'll just double check this.
I double checked this. Make sure I did it right. Yeah, I wash
Just
my
also
hands.
for the firmness, I guess.
Okay. What's your favourite recipe you're cooking at your shop at the moment?
Favorite recipe?
What's your go-to dish?
Go-to dish. Well, we're very famous for slow-cooked pork belly.
Yeah, I think I had that today. It
Yeah. Takes
so
ages to cook,
delicious.
but it's really nice. It's good that you enjoyed it. You should try our chicken as well. It's pretty good too.
was next time.
Yeah.
You know, if I eat too much, I'll blow out.
You blow out.
Yeah, so much good food around here, man. I'm just
Yeah?
eating all the time.
You look pretty good to me.
Really? Oh, thanks. So I just definitely needed some more bread, did it?
Yeah. So this also depends on the size of the egg as well.
Yes.
So when the size of the egg is a little bit larger, we usually use 700 grams.
Oh, yep. I
Eggs
think they
for
were
us.
jumbo, extra large.
Yeah,
so
they were
about
quite
800.
big. So then depending on that, we adjust the hardness with the breadcrumbs.
Bit of oil on your hand.
Hands.
Okay, I'll take my shirt off. You can give me a massage, mate.
Yeah, you sure?
There's shiatsu.
Shiatsu. Oh, all right, you know that?
Yeah. It's weird. I've had shiatsu before, and sometimes it's been very gentle,
Yes.
and then other times I feel like I've been beaten up. You know, it's like,
Oh, yeah. Gotta be careful with those people. Some of them.
yeah, some of them.
So all we're gonna do is we're gonna just tap the.
Oh, yeah. Just to firm it up, get the nice confirmation.
Yeah.
I do this with my hamburgers as well. It makes them nice and firm. Compounds them, you know? Like,
Exactly.
so they don't fall apart. So we're going to put them into the fry pan, then colour them both sides and into the oven.
Exactly. So we're gonna put it back in here, and then we're gonna put it in the oven, which is already set up to 180 degrees.
180, cool.
It's gonna take about 20 minutes to cook. We'll check the inside, and then
Alright.
it should be ready to go.
Excellent.
So that's a burger right there.
Yum.
So what we'll do is we'll quickly make a sauce.
Yep. So what's the sauce involved? This is the Kewpie mayonnaise.
Yes, so this is the Kewpie mayonnaise that we were talking about, the legendary. And then we got Obento tonkatsu sauce, which is a barbecue sauce that they make specially for Japanese fried food and cooked beef.
Yeah, tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu, yes. And then what we're gonna do is we've got a bit of a Aussie ketchup right here.
Yep.
We're gonna mix it all together.
So it is fusion food, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit of a Japanese Aussie fusion.
Aussie meets Japan.
You can say that.
You just mix it all up.
Mix it all up until it's nice and pinkish color. And it's this Japanese mayonnaise that gives it the balance.
Yeah.
So it's that mild flavor. It's not as sharp as the
Yeah, yeah.
European mayonnaise. And
It's sweet, sharp, and creamy.
Exactly. And this is where the term umami comes from.
Yes.
May I please give you the honor to put the sauce on, sir?
Oh, can I do any old way or?
Any old way, sir.
How's that, chef?
It looks fantastic.
That's the nice presented one. Let's demolish this one. Leave it in there. We'll just
Leave it
eat
in?
it.
can
Well, look
try
at that.
anyway.
It's a great texture.
Thank you.
Wow. The texture's awesome, isn't it? Really soft. You know, that crunch on the outside. And that sauce. Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah, it tops
done,
it up.
mate. Thank you very much.
Oh, did I pass?
Mate, with flying colours.
Thank you very much.